Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So before you get started, if you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. As majority of you watching this video right now have probably not subscribed. The reason is that I'm sure you've actually found this video through this search button. So you subscribe and get an update from us. So yesterday we did analysis on this AUD USD, right? I told you guys that we would be expecting a bullish move on this AUD USD, which we actually did. Actually, price actually gave us about 50 to 60 pips bullish move yesterday, right? Which was on the 7th, right? We actually made that bullish move. Now we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, for today, sorry. So in order to be able to predict that, let's take a look at what this DXY says. So what is the trend for this DXY, right? We see that this is a bearish move. As we are having a bearish move on DXY or USD index, then any other pairs we will be trading to USD index or DXY must definitely give us a bullish move. So since we are having a drop on this DXY or USD index, one of the reasons why we are having a bullish move on this AUD USD, no doubt about that. Now, when you take a look at this DXY, right, you see this movement that is being played out. You take a look at as a drop here. We will start here from for a quick analysis. I don't want to start from the top though. We start here for quick analysis. So we see it drop here, then a pullback was bent here. Then here comes a drop, and here we've gotten a pullback that failed to break this previous lower highs here. And new lows have been made that broke this previous lower lows, right? Of course, after that, we need a pullback to be made. So now that this pullback has been made, what do we expect? We expect a drop on this USD index. So yesterday, right, our price actually opened and closed bearish. One of the reasons why we actually opened and closed bullish yesterday. So today, we would want to have a continuous bearish move. No, the price has just opened now. Market are, we just entered the day of 8, right? Market have just opened, so we are kind of having green. But by the time this market will close, for the end of this day, I strongly believe USD index or DXY will close bearish for the day. So that is to tell you that if it will close bearish for today, then we would expect our AUD USD to close bullish. So we are expecting a bullish move on AUD USD. Now another one is that before you take any trade, right, you want to ask yourself, what is the trend for this trade? That to take beats, crypto, beats commodity, beats currency, beats stocks. Before you actually place your trade, the first thing that will come to your mind is the trend. So what is the trend for this? Clear, we can start. This is an uptrend move. Price is giving us an higher highs and higher lows. So let's start it from here, right? We've seen an higher highs here, and then here comes a correction. A new highs. If you notice, this highs actually broke this previous highs. Here comes a correction because what we've gotten again, a new highs. So we kind of add a correction here and then a double top here, right? A double top. And guess what we've gotten again after that? A correction. Guess what we've had now? A new highs, right? I told you guys, if you were following me consistently, would have said I told you guys that we'll be having a correction at this level, at a level of 0.68430. If you are following, you see how we got to this level, right? Now we've gotten a correction. After this correction, what do you expect? We need a new highs to be made. Therefore, these highs will actually go bullish to be able to take out this high. So within this week and next week, we should be able to accomplish the goal. So for this AUD USD, we still expect a bullish move. So for today, which is 8, I believe this AUD USD actually gives us that bullish move. And possibly we should be above our 10 period moving average. Now that's what this 4-hour time frame actually says. So this 4-hour time frame is kind of like wants to give us that bullish move. So we will see something like something like this. So you take this as an ice, and let's consider this as a correction. If a new ice is being made that breaks this ice, right, then we can go ahead to take our buy on this AUD USD. If not, we might just want to fold our ends because price can continue to go bearish. The best time to actually enter this trade is just wait when this price actually break this previous size. Then we can go ahead to possibly go ahead to take this trade and go long, or you can be patient enough, wait for a pullback and continue this bullish move. Anyhow, it is up to you to actually take this trade, but I believe today we would actually have a bullish move on AUD USD.